back to the basics with this one. If you like flowy, gorgeous hair, this is the video for you. Keep watching. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Neferpersona, and today's video is another crochet tutorial. I've already braided my base down as you see, and I'm just oiling my scalp. This is actually a second install. I installed these a different way. You will see here in a second, but this is Kima Ocean wave. I cut it in half and just kind of stretch it out, and I'm saying there that I knot it 5 times. That's how you keep it from slipping. I've been on a little bit of a hiatus because I have actually been sick the entire month of January. It's crazy. Sinus, and I don't know what else, but I have not had any signs of COVID. It's not that. I'm just thankful that my family has not encountered that horrific thing yet. Just my sinuses bothering me. That's the hair that I took out. This hair is so durable, and this is what I was talking about. I did the micros in the front, but I wasn't feeling it. Like, my hair is so thin to where I just did not have enough volume for what I was going for. And you see it all over my face. Like, I'm like deciding, should I keep it? Should I take it out? I wore it like that, I think, for maybe a week, and then I took it all out because I was like, I can't. It looks stupid, and I don't like it. Maybe a full set later on of micros, but my hair just does not have enough density to have enough volume to be proper in that style. So if you want to try it, go for it. But for my hair, it didn't work. So we went back to just a full head of crochets. I am honestly thinking about changing on my content some because I really want to focus on growing. But like I said, the beginning of the year went south for me. I have a lot of content planned, but like I said, I just have not been feeling well. Hopefully February is different as far as my sinuses and stuff, sounding congested, not being able to pronounce certain words. So I hope you watch to the end. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'm just going to be doing my hair. This will be left for my invisible part. But this is as far I've come.
What's that noise?
The TV, babe. Somebody's playing in a box. All the toys in the world that she plays. Baby in the box. The box is more interesting. This is how far I've come. Be back. Alright, for those that are still here, this is a finished result. I really enjoyed this particular style. It always looks like you just had a fresh flat iron and roller set when you have this style. It's so classy, very elegant. You can do so much with it. It is very similar to human hair, very diva-ish. And also coming up here, I'm going to talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is Dossier. 2 new scents that I tried. Smells so good. That's one of them. I cannot pronounce either one. Everything will be listed in the description box. That's floral high something.
Smells
I'm sorry,
like
I
soap.
cannot pronounce it. Smells so good. Smells really good. Dossier is like a inspired by. There's the info card, which is in each one. It also comes with little samples. The regular price is like $39 with 20% off plus the 10%. You get 10% off. There will be a coupon code listed below as well to take advantage of. And you get that discount on top of discounts that are already on the website. So definitely take heed. Like, it smells so good. I promise. I will not promote anything that did not smell good. And I'm just sharing my feather. Found this from AliExpress. Also got those earrings from AliExpress. I'm sorry the earrings are no longer available. If I can find the chain, I will link that below as well. So if you're into feathers, pay attention to the description box. I'll try to list those items below. Thank you again for watching Neferpersona. Go ahead and pop that subscribe button. Follow me on my TikTok because I'm very active over there. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.